All right, boys and girls, tonight's homework is 20-1, and we are working on probability. Now, with probability, we have to focus on objects. Okay, so if we look at number 1, I'm going to do a couple of these with you on the practice side. So if we look at number 1, this says show the possible combinations by filling in the table. So what we're looking at here is if we have 3 different types of marks, okay, I can't highlight that, but 3 different types of marks, which is a check mark, a plus, or an X. And then we have 3 different shapes, a circle, a square, and a triangle. Now, if we were to take all 6 of these different shapes and toss them into a bag, and then start randomly drawing out 2 pieces at a time, how many different combinations can we get? So, for example, we might pull out a check mark with a triangle, or we might pull out a X with a circle. Okay, now you're only allowed to take out one object, either the mark. You have to pull out 1 mark and 1 shape. So if we pulled out 1 of each, how many different combinations could we get? And so the way to figure this out is usually to draw it out as a picture. That is the most simple way to do it. And so if we look at this table here, now you can fill this out. The first set is going to be check marks. Then this is going to be X's. This is going to be pluses. This side we're going to have circles, squares, and triangles. So if we fill in the chart, going across, we would have circle, circle, circle. Going down, it would be check, check, check. Okay, same thing here. Square, square, square. And then triangle, triangle, and triangle. Going down, it's check, 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 X, 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 and plus, plus, plus. So if we look at this now, if you went and stuck your hand in the bag, there's a chance you'd pull out a check and a circle. There's a chance you'd pull out a check and a square. There's a chance you'd pull out a check and a triangle. Okay, so that's 3 different combinations. We also have 3 different combinations going this way and 3 going this way. So that would be 3, 6, 9. We're up to 9 combinations at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our answer, boys and girls. There are 9 possibilities here. Okay, let's look at number 2. In number 2 through 5, it says that we're going to find the number of possible combinations. We're going to draw a picture or use objects to help us. So if we look at this first one here, it says choose 1 of 3 soups and 1 of 2 salads. So it looks like we've gone to a restaurant and they have 3 soups, 3 different kinds of soups on the menu. So we'll just say soup 1 and soup 2 and soup 3. Okay, but we also have 2 different types of salads. So we want to figure out here how many combinations might we be able to make. Since I don't want to use S again because I've already used S here for soup, I'm just going to use A and B for my salads because there's 2 different types. So I'll have one of the salads be salad A and one be salad B. So I could have soup 1 with salad A. That is 1 combination. But I could also have soup 1 with salad B. That would be another combination. So there are 2 different choices I can have here with my soup 1. Okay, I could have soup 2 be with salad A. I could also have soup 2 be with salad B. So that is 2 more combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could also have soup 3 with salad A or with salad B. So again, that is 2 other possible combinations. So 5, 6. So as you can see here, I have 6 possible combinations that I can have there in my choices. So I'm going to put 6 and put a circle around it. I know for some of you this might be confusing, so just bear with me and do your best on it. I'm going to do one more because I know this might be a trickier subject. And also, you might want to write smaller than this because I kind of spilled over into the next question. So for number 3 here, choose one of 4 cups and one of 2 juices. So I'm going to say, since it's 4 cups, I'm going to say a small cup, a medium cup, a large cup, and an extra large cup. Okay, those are my 4 different cup sizes I'm going to choose. Okay, but I have 2 different types of juices I can choose. So I can get a small cup. I'll say juice A for apple and juice B for berry, maybe. I don't know. So I could have a small cup with apple juice. That's one choice. I could have a small cup with a berry juice. That's a second choice. I could have a medium cup with apple or with berry. I could have a large cup with apple or with berry. Or I could have an extra large cup of apple or an extra large cup of berry. So again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possible choices. Now some of you might be thinking, oh, well that's just 4 times 2 is 8, and that's correct. But be very careful with that, because on this one, on the number 1, some of you might have said 3 times 2 is 6, where the answer was really 9. It wasn't 3 times 2, it was really 3 times 3. So be very, very careful if you're going to try and multiply them together. You've got to make sure that you're multiplying the right numbers. Okay, I'm going to do one more. I know this is going kind of long on this video, but last one, choose 5 paints and 3 trims. So 5 paints, I'm just going to do paint 1, paint 2, paint 3, paint 4, and paint 5, and then 3 trims. So I'll just do trims A, B, and C. So A, B, and C, A, B, and C. These are my choices. So A, B, and C can all be a choice that goes with paint 1. Paint 2 could have trim A, trim B, or trim C. Paint 3 could have trim A, trim B, or trim C. Paint 4 could also have all 3 choices. Paint 5 could have all 3 choices. Okay, so as you can see there, we have a whole bunch of different choices. I'm not going to give you the answer on this one. You can pretty much see the answer. And I want you to go ahead and try number 5 on your own. Okay, good luck on your homework tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow.